Hi everyone, it's Monica, and I'm here today to share with you my Steampunk Accordion journal book. And I am going to be having a class on this in February, so I wanted to go ahead and share with you my prototype and then provide links for you to sign up for the class as well as purchase the kit, which will be in the links below. So let me go ahead and kind of walk through this with you. Some of the items that I used, I pulled from my stash, and I'll kind of point those out for you as well. But the kit is going to be jam-packed. You're going to get everything that you need to create this book, and then some. And what I mean by that is, as a digital creator, I will be providing you lots of digital images to decorate your book exactly the way you want. I will, of course, be hosting the class and sharing with you my ideas and pages, but certainly the kit's going to have lots of items that you can choose from. So let me go ahead and start with the cover. Now the cover has some digital light bulbs here, and you're going to see rust throughout, because whenever I think of steampunk, of course, I think of rust and cogs and metal. So you're going to see some of that as well. You're going to see some real metals as well as some faux metals. And this is a chipboard, so it is hard, and you have chipboards on the front and also on the back to hold your book together. So I've got some cogs here, and then we've got this metal plate, and the metal plate will vary per each kit, but this is the one that I chose. And then I've got some faux screws here, and then I've got some remnant rubs that I used, which again will all be included in the kit. So when you turn the page, you've got some wonderful digital images here that will be part of your kit, and you've got paper to create your base, more remnant rubs, and then of course metal objects, as I've indicated. These are little screw heads from Tim Holtz that I'll be providing for you, and again you'll be getting remnant rubs as well as lots of digital items to be able to put, I should say ephemera, because it's going to be cut out for you, and you're going to be able to put this in your book, and you'll have lots of items to choose from. Alright, so the next page is a pocket, and again you're going to be getting a paper stack, and you're going to be getting lots and lots of paper in this kit. You're going to get one of these packets, and you're going to get the full packet. And let me just open one up here for you. As you can see, there's lots of different pages and paper that you're going to be able to choose from to create your pockets. So you're going to have lots of paper, and then you're going to have, again, more ephemera pieces to be able to design your pockets however you want. I did create another pocket here, and I had a cluster. We're going to be making some clusters as well in the class, but I just put this cluster here. But this is a pocket where you can put more ephemera, and as you can see, I've decorated it with some remnant rubs. Alright, so the next page I have here is a faux frame, but I did leave it open on the top so that way you can put items in here. I'm going to have some tickets in the kit for you to be able to decorate. So we'll have a pocket here with images you can choose. You'll be able to choose which images you want to use. And then this one is just a little identification card with some more stickers and remnant rubs for this little pocket. Alright, so this is the back. Again, we have more faux metal screws, and then decorated with ephemera, and of course my steampunk girls. Alright, opening it up, you have more decorative paper here, and I am including a couple of vintage tickets that can be added to your journal book. This is part of the remnant rubs, and the remnant rubs I'm going to be using are these rub-ons from Stampera. So you're going to get the whole pack, so you'll be able to decorate your book exactly the way you want it. The images on the paper are just stunning. They're perfect, very vibrant, and I was really happy that I was able to find that paper pack for you. All right, more pockets, more ephemera. Again, I've just kind of randomly stuck ephemera pieces in here. You're going to get lots more, not just what I'm showing you. We'll be creating these little slides where you can choose your image, but we'll be creating a couple of these. And this is what I was saying is not going to be in the kit, but you're going to have an opportunity to buy the faded tag book, and I've used it through some of the pages, but this was not part of the kit because then I would have to add an extra $10 to the kit, and I really didn't want to do that for using so few stickers. So I will make that available for you if you wanted to get that as an add-on. But we will be making some slides, again more ephemera pieces to be able to tuck in. All right, here is another page where we have a lot of torn paper in this kit, and I used one of my vintage Scotch tapes, and I'll be providing some of those for you. And then just little tucks here, again with a little ticket, and then we have a little tuck right here as well, a secret tuck, right? All right, so this is a little metal element we'll be adding to the kit, and then this is a little identification card that we're going to be decorating. Again, one of those stickers that I shared with you, that you're going to have at your choice of which image, of course, you're going to want to use, and then that slides in really nicely right there, and then we're going to hold it down with a little clip. All right, and then finally this is back to the front. As you can see, it is an accordion book, and we've decorated it really nicely. It folds up wonderfully, and you can easily display it or just cherish it, as I do a lot of my journal books. All right, well that's it. I will put links in the description box for the sign up, and you don't have to buy the kit to attend the class. It is a free class, but if you do want to make this, of course you're going to have to buy the kit. And I only have limited kits because I didn't want to overstock myself on kits. I think I have 13, but if I do sell out on kits, because the class isn't until February, I'll have more time to curate a few more kits. So don't wait to purchase the kit. It is a pre-order kit, but that's just to enable me to see if I need to order more supplies to offer more kits for the class. All right, everybody, I hope you liked the book. I love it. I think it's fantastic, and I'm going to enjoy creating this with you in our class in February. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.